Welcome to Sparklebox! If you want to try such amazing art and craft DIYs, do visit our website sparklebox.com. You can find age appropriate art and craft kits over there. And do subscribe to our channel, which gives us a lots of boost up to make many more amazing DIYs. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY.
Origami sheets, scissors, fevicol, sketch pens and pencil. On an A4 size sheet, draw a cartoon as shown. Color the cartoon with sketch pens. Now, from the sheet, cut some circles as shown. Take some origami sheets, cut circles from them and paste them as shown. With sketch pen, make small circles on the sheet. Now, let's color the circles.
Isn't it fun to make? For more of such amazing craft ideas, do visit our channel and subscribe it if you haven't yet subscribed. Do like and share this video with your friends and family. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!